Guys, we got the Hondata here. This is the new Hondata Mini for the Flashpro Integra Type S. There we go. Oh shit, come with a bunch of stuff. Comes with a Hondata sticker. You got your new Flashpro Mini, and then what is this? It's USB-C, USB. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug this up on the car. And I already just installed Hondata Flashpro Manager on there. Right. So we gotta take the whole Flashpro, we gotta plug it up here, which is over here. And then this just plugs in like this, and it should start lighting up like that. Cool. Then I gotta get the laptop like this. Like that. It's plugged. Then we gotta get a Windows laptop. Install Flashpro. It's not my laptop, guys. This is my brother's laptop. Alright, so here's the other side is a USB. So we're gonna plug it into this laptop. So we're gonna plug that in. Open up Hondata Flashpro, you can see on the screen. So I double click on it, it should open up. Please unplug the Flashpro Manager firmware update. Please unplug from the vehicle. Okay. Alright, so I unplugged it. It's updating the firmware right now. Okay, the first step is to, after you get everything light up and everything's up to date, what you want to do is basically go to Flashpro, and then you want to go to register owner. So basically,
click on Flashpro.
Yeah, I'll blur it out, but just hold the screen steady. So I'll go to register owner, and then I'll click update register, and then I'll put all my information in here, and then I'll click next. Make sure I'm like on a hotspot, and then it'll register with Hondata. Then after that, I would click after that, it will say okay, successfully done. Then I'll go to what is it? It is online. Then I'll go to lock this vehicle, and then it's gonna ask for, is this the correct VIN number? Then you click yes, and it's gonna load, and then it's gonna say successfully locked to the ECU. Cool. And then you can return the ECU to stock and stuff like that. So now we're ready for upload. I'm gonna check for right now, I'm gonna check to see if there's any new updates. Your software's up to date. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna start over again. So now that everything is good and registered, I'm gonna start over. So I'm gonna click Hondata Flashpro. Cool. Then I'm gonna go to new calibration. Up top here, this is new calibration in the corner. I'm gonna try to, yep, new calibration. Then I'm going to select the 93 map for the Integra Type S DE5 2023 and plus. There is no other one for downpipe, intercooler, and other stuff, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they don't have one. But you're gonna select Integra DE5 US 2023 93 octane. Then you're gonna click OK. Then everything's gonna load up. Then you have access to all of these settings: Hondata Fuel System, Hondata Fuel System Plus, Fuel Flow, Hondata High Pressure Fuel Pump. Then you have Fold Race, Extreme DI Fuel Pump, Stock Injectors, and all of that. So you have access to all of that. They have you can keep the Integra Type of stock pop and bangs, or you could do the stage 1. We'll try out the stage 1, and then as soon as you click it, it starts updating. Rev hang, disable rev hang, that's already selected. Rev limiter is the 7,000 RPM stock rev limiter. We're gonna keep that, and pretty much that's it. We're gonna keep everything else the same, and click OK. Yep, and that's it. Then we're gonna click OK, and then how you upload a tune is you click this arrow button. So you click update that. So we're gonna update it. Do not unplug the Flashpro or switch off the ignition right now. So it's uploading the map right now. And as you can see, the car is on the on position right now. So we're just gonna wait here and leave this upload. Don't mess with anything. Say electric power steering and everything. but it's doing its thing. Yep. Yep, still loading. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. But it's gonna take a while, but you guys just have to be patient. Like, just sit here, don't touch anything. It's gonna be beeping, all different types of stuff. You guys don't want to mess nothing up. Yep, the bar started loading again. So it says everything was loaded successfully. Turn off the ignition switch. So I'm gonna turn it off right now. Everything's turned off. Now everything should be good to go. The base map is on, so we're gonna do the first startup. All right.
Go ahead and start the camera. Can't even follow that. Louder.
It's a tad bit louder.
Yeah, it's a little louder. You hear it?
It's a little bit louder.
Yeah, it's louder, yeah.
Unplug the USB-C cable. I'm gonna leave this plugged in because it has Bluetooth and you can use the Hondata app on your phone. I'm gonna show you guys that here in a second. I'm gonna take this USB cord.
Smoking a little bit.
Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, you spray that crap everywhere. I'm gonna put so guys, since we're about to get tuned here in a little bit, this is the cable. You have to walk with this when you go tune with Derek. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the glove box right here. And of course you gotta walk with your hondata Flashpro and your wheel locks and stuff. But I'm gonna leave it plugged in right there. I mean, the media is pretty nice because you could just plug it in and there's really no other place to put it. Kind of like kind of like how the FK8 was, but it's smoking. So there might be some smoke from the downpipe from the PB blaster, but that's normal. We're smoking a little bit.
Guys, he about to start it. This is what downpipe with the new tune, the bass tune, and the valve is already open. Mm-hmm. Want to give it one more rev?
Guys, this is the first drive with the new setup. Downpipe. It's a tad bit louder, right?
Yeah, it's louder.
It's louder?
Yeah, the car's louder.
It's not loud, but it's a tad bit louder. But you say it's loud for you.
Yeah, it's loud.
Oh my god. Y'all can hear me on the mic perfectly. There's no drone in here, nothing. Dang, that's stage one. That's stage one.
I can't imagine stage 2.
Yeah, I can't imagine stage 2 either. Wow. That's stage 1? That's crazy. And that's stage 1.
Mm-hmm.
You want to put stage 2 on?
Nope. Hell no.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That is crazy. You gonna rev it? That's crazy. Guys, that's insane for just being stage 1. That's some pretty loud pops and bangs with the countless downpipe, front pipe, and just so that is freaking insane. That is popping louding like that, so loud. And this is stage 1. I can't imagine stage 2. I don't even want to put stage 2 on there. Wow, that's insane. You want stage 2? Nope. We can add stage 2 on here if you want to test it out.
No. That's fine. That's enough noise.
It's working though. Oh my god. Something from his car falling off. But man. But the nice thing is that's only a Sport Plus mode. Yeah. And the rev matches is still working?
Yep.
Yep. So everything is working cool. Alright.
Just started.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh yeah, because he took it out.
Yeah.
See if it's still working. Even if without shifting, you could just give it gas and let go, and it's
Yeah.
wow, that's pretty loud. That's crazy.
That's loud.
And this is only stage 1. So stage 2 must be a continuous pop, 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 pop.
Not trust.
Stage 1 isn't too bad then, but you have the option if you go and you could be like, oh, you can show off some pops with the Type S. Yeah, that's, you hear it?
That's how you need that little pop. That's how you need. That's how you need that little pop. That's how you.
But if you get on the gas more, you can hear the little pop. It's like a pop and bang.
That's
Okay, so now I get where it say pop and bang. You get what I'm saying?